Garden Stack is your own vertical farm, bringing nature into your home. We've all heard the figures about society's shocking food management. Food packaging and logistics are wasteful. A quarter of CO2 emissions are rooted in agriculture. We spend billions on vitamin supplements every year instead of prioritizing our nutrition. But it's not easy to grow our own food at home. We can't always be there to care for our plants. Utilizes ancient Oya irrigation technology. Porous containers in the ground have irrigated our crops for thousands of years. Garden Stack is the first to apply this ancient technology to vertical farming. Each part slots together and is numbered, so you'll have yours up and running in no time. Just fill it up from the top, and the water will be distributed gradually based on plant needs. Garden Stack offers a break from modern stress and technology. There's no app for that. So get ready to grow local, grow fresh, grow smart. Grow with Garden Stack.
Hello everyone, I'm Daniel, the founder of Garden Stack, and I just wanted to quickly introduce myself and a new water reservoir add-on, which replaces the lid. We're still tweaking the design a little bit, so perhaps you could leave us a comment below and let us know what you think about the current design. So let's just connect it really quickly so you can see how it works. Basically just take off the regular lid, you replace that with the reservoir, and then you fill it up as usual from the top. And then you can just use the same old lid to seal it from the top. And then it makes it even easier to pick it up than before.